Research has shown that emotional regulation is an important cornerstone of success, both in and out of school, which is why we're thrilled to introduce you to our latest innovation, a groundbreaking digital resource designed to make implementing the zones easier for you and more engaging for your learners. The Zones digital curriculum extends and updates ideas from Leah Kuypers' best-selling book with new content and numerous enhancements, such as ready-to-use presentations, suggestions for differentiated instruction, as well as over 100 downloadable and printable resources. It can be taught by anyone who is invested in fostering regulation skills and can be implemented in schools, homes, therapeutic, and community settings. When you land on the main curriculum page, you'll find a series of implementation and professional development resources for Zones leaders like yourself in the Getting Started, the Data Collection, and the Adult Learning Module pages, shown in light blue. The Zones content for learners is divided into concepts, shown in dark blue. Concepts 1 through 6 focus on self, social, and situational awareness. 7 through 10 explore and apply regulation and decision-making strategies. There is also a Tool of the Week page with a series of regulation tools to explore with learners as you teach. Concepts contain lesson resources designed to be taught over multiple sessions. Each has numerous activities and visuals to help educators present ideas, teach engaging lessons, connect with caregivers, and assess for understanding. Each concept begins with an introduction designed to help you understand, prepare for, and customize your instruction. The main event of each concept has to be the interactive presentation, which can easily be projected to a large screen or whiteboard, depending on the size of your group. Presentations include many unique elements, such as short games, clickable activities, videos, and much more. A detailed presentation guide includes step-by-step teaching points to use alongside the interactive presentation. Every concept also includes activities and tools, such as a check for learning, which is a quick formative assessment. There's a hands-on group activity to help learners meaningfully apply learning targets as a whole group, and a bridge, which is a summary of each concept to share with parents, caregivers, or support team members. In order to address a wide range of learner needs, we created geared activities. These are a menu of activities to apply, reinforce, and extend concepts being taught with varying levels of adult guidance and support. And at the end of each concept, you'll find ways to integrate the concept into your climate and extend learning across settings. Your subscription also features 4 self-paced and interactive professional learning modules to help Zones leaders develop the foundational understanding needed to teach the zones of regulation with confidence, integrity, and fidelity. They include videos from our Zones trainings, examples from the digital curriculum, animations, and reflection activities. Leaders will gain an understanding of regulation and ways to build the Zones climate at their sites. Finally, subscriptions include access to a searchable library of every resource found throughout the entire curriculum. You'll appreciate that all of them have been developed and approved by Leah and the Zones team. Imagine how much of a time saver it will be to have easy access to these resources without having to make them yourself. Created by therapists and educators for therapists and educators. Our new edition includes everything carefully designed to empower learners, educators, and caregivers with the tools they need for meeting goals, improving academics, and enhancing well-being.